This week on Luckyfish.
Old Klutz here managed to let the gaff halyard go. How are you feeling, Zaya?
Yeah, sick and scary.
Sick and scary. You think it's because you went up the mast?
That didn't help.
And we've got a stowaway on board. Just discovered him 2 days out from Grenada, and we're 3 days out from Georgetown. Go on, mate, have a drink. We're just hand steering for the moment while we get things back to normal after squall came through about 3 or 4 in the morning. To cap all that off, we had a ship coming directly towards us in the middle of all that. Shit! Just got wet. I'm studying the charts and discovering how little I know about the next stages of our navigation. We're just about 45 miles off of Puerto Rico. We've been reaching in beam seas, doing 8 to 9 knots. And I've just noticed some really cloudy blue water over there. What is that? Where? So we've pretty much achieved what we set out to do 2 days and 18 hours ago. 480 miles. It's been pretty quick. I think we've done about 190 odd miles in the last 24 hours. We had lightning all around us, and fork and sheet lightning, and thunder cracks right overhead. But we paid the price and got this beautiful weather as a result. Are we going to the bar or the beach?
Bar.